In this video, I will show you how to add images to your community post on your community tab on your channel. So make sure that you are logged in with your channel and open it. The next step we need to do is just go to community part right up here, click on it. And then here we can see the form to make our posts. We can write something, for example, like hello. And to add images, we just need to click on the image right up here. So we can read that we can pick up to 5 images or GIFs from our computer. So before that, you need to download the images on your computer. So click on this blue button or somewhere there. And now we can choose the necessary images. So the first one, we can also edit the preview. So here we can choose the part of our image that will be showed. Then you will choose, you can just click on the save preview. Add the other images. So now we are ready to post it. To make it, just click on the post button right up here. So our post was made, so we have our images, we can click and all of them will be showed. Thank you for your attention.